Hi guys, greetings. So this is Mosha, coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, with the first and only authentic Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic since 2010 really, but I opened in 2011. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to take a little walk on Cabarete. I've been here 13 years guys, so I know where everything is. I know everything here for you guys. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing a series of videos to show you a little bit about the Dominican Republic that you don't know about. Especially you guys that come to Sosua. You need to come to Cabarete. Cabarete is a different energy, different from Sosua. You got all kinds of stuff. How you doing, buddy? Good. All right, my brother. Oh, you want to put you on the video? You Dominican? Oh, okay. He don't want to be on the video. So listen, guys, I was going to ask him a couple of questions about Cabarete, but he already knows. So a lot of people don't want to be on the video. I won't put them on. I just want to show you, take a walk and show you. This is the entrance, what they call the Callejón. When you park on the street, you're going down on the beach. So you have a bunch of shops here. You have a couple of shops. All right. It's beautiful. If you want to buy gifts, you can come up here. It's not. Hello, ladies. Hello. How are you? Are you the owner? No. You? No owners. Okay. They don't want promotion. So. Yeah, this is Cabarete Beach, guys. We're gonna go down on the Callejón now, and I'm gonna show you the beach. Beautiful. It's not like Sosua. It's cleaner than Sosua. In that direction, you can go all the way down. I'm not gonna go all the way down there. All right, because of the rain, you have the water coming from the street coming here. I'm just gonna show you the beach. Okay, they have kite surfing. See those kites over there? You can do kite surfing. And so this is one side of the beach, go all the way down, almost going back to what they call El Cuentro, where they surf, where the guys come and surf. Okay? So they're setting up a new resort over here. Okay? So this is the kite surfing. Alright, so I'm taking you down a little bit on the beach, and then I'm going to walk back that way. Alright, it's beautiful up here, guys. It's not like Sosua Beach, it's a different beast. More peaceful. You know, you can enjoy your vacation without people trying to, you know what I mean. A lot of people come here for a different type of pleasure. And so in Sosua, you have a lot of that kind of vibe. Alright, but here in Cabarete, you might find one or two of them, but it's not as prevalent. You have a different crowd. So that's the kite surfers. You see the kites in the sky? See them over there? So if you want to learn that, you can come up here and learn that. Okay, this is what Cabarete is famous for. So I'll show you a little bit of the beach. Right there. And this goes all the way around. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful. It's not a lot of reefs. So now I'm gonna walk up. A beautiful lady having a nice tan over there. Beautiful lady having a suntan. And over there you see them getting ready to go out on the kite. He's gonna go kite surfing. See the kite? Hey, I'm gonna take a picture of your kite. It's okay? I'm gonna take a video of your kite. It's okay? Yeah, so this is... No, you can stay in there if you want. No, you stay in there. Because I want to ask you a couple of questions. So first of all, I'm just lucky to bump into somebody that's going to go out and kite surfing. What's your name, brother?
Ben.
Ben, you teach kite surfing or you're a professional kite surfer?
Well, I'm a teacher of windfoiling. So
Oh, what's it called?
Windfoiling.
Windfoiling. Is the same like kite surfing?
No.
This is
kite
different.
Is with the kite in there.
Yeah?
Like
Like that one he's pointing to. So this one is different, right?
Windfoiling.
So you up literally up in the air.
Yeah, I lift the foil and then I can ride.
Wow, that's beautiful. So you teach that.
Yeah.
So he's going out now. So we're gonna try to get him when he's going out, so you guys can
let's
see.
The light is super light.
Yes.
So.
Oh, the wind. You need wind.
The wind is super light.
He needs a lot of wind. He said he needs the wind to be stronger, so he can take him up into the air, guys. This is awesome. So this is what Cabarete is all about, guys. When you come to Cabarete, I'm gonna let him go out, and we're gonna keep an eye on him to see how so you guys can see what he's actually doing. All right, this is one of the fun stuff you can do in the Dominican Republic, guys. You don't have to come and go to Sosua and sit there letting the girls rip you off and get ripped off. Cabarete is a different beast. Now there he goes with his kite. I'm gonna walk up the block and I'm gonna come back. Hello, how are you? So you have a beautiful. Where you from? Where you from?
Argentina.
Oh, nice. Welcome to Dominican Republic. My name is Mosha,
Thank you.
and I'm from Jamaica. Where you say Argentina? What's your name?
Belén.
Melen. I have a
Are you doing a video?
I'm doing a video. You don't mind? You like reggae? Have you ever listened to reggae? You like Jamaican food?
I don't know. So
You never had it?
No, I never.
All right. I'm going to see if I find a card. When I'm done, I'll give it to you. You come to Sosua, and I'm going to make you some perfect Jamaican food, Melene.
Okay.
You are so beautiful. Thank you for allowing me to take your video. I'll give you my card when I get back.
Okay.
Enjoy the sun. How long are you going to be here for?
I like a month with my boyfriend.
Okay, you and him come then. That's even better.
Okay.
Beautiful. Take care, Melanie. Let's see. He's out there still trying to get some wind. So I'm gonna walk up a little more on the beach. Thanks to Melanie for letting me video her. A lot of people don't want you to do that. So guys, this is it. Cabarete Beach. I'm not gonna walk the whole beach. All right. I just want to show you the difference in energy. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 main beaches here in this part of the world between Sosua and Cabarete. This is one of the better ones. There is another beach, Playa Alicia. I'm going to take you there. I'm going to do a video on that one. And Playa Incu. All of these different beaches are here. Okay, so. There's one of them over there. Let me see. He's doing. There's another. Oh no, that's a different one. So guys, up here is totally different than Sosua. Okay, so look, all the restaurants is on that side. You can go all the way up, guys. And they have a netball. They play beach volleyball up there, if you're into that. But all of these water sports is what you find over here in Cabarete. All right? So I'm going to turn back now because I want to grab another video before I go open my restaurant. And I don't want to be late. So again, guys, Cabarete Beach, a little piece of it. It's about 15 minutes or 10 minutes from Sosua. You can rent a scooter and ride up here. You don't have to stay. You don't have to stay on the. And those are the ladies that gives massage. Massage. They give massage. Those ladies in the blue. If you want massage, mi amor, you do pedicure, manicure. Okay, so these ladies, when you come to Cabarete and you see them, don't turn your back on them. They do graba una video para promoción Cabarete.
Okay.
¿Cuál es su nombre, mi amor?
Roberta.
Her name is Roberta. Tú eres monsieur de pedicure, manicure.
Yeah.
She does pedicure, manicure. When you come and you see the ladies in this, like this, they are licensed by the state and they carry their ID. Okay? So you don't have to go to anybody's gonna rip you off. And you always talk to them. ¿Cuántos años tú haces eso?
Yo aquí 14.
She here 14 years doing this. ¿Es bueno para ti?
Yeah, very.
And tú eres muy linda. She's beautiful, right, guys? Beautiful. My name is Mosha. Mi negocio en la playa. My pleasure. Un día yo ir para tu mensaje pedicure manicure para mí.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay. All right, guys. So when you need, see, they can do it right here. Like this young lady, she's gonna have a pedicure or manicure done. She's gonna. Tu nombre, mi amor? Carmen is gonna do a pedicure, manicure for this beautiful young lady, and they do. What's your name, baby? Manicure. I'm sorry. What's your name, sweetie?
Felly?
Feli's gonna get a massage. How much she charge? Is it expensive? 20 bucks is not bad. 20, 25. But you talk to them. This is their little hustle, and I'm sure she live in. I bet you she live in the Bronx.
Are you making a vlog or something?
Yes.
Oh.
I bet you. And she got a beautiful smile. Where you live, in the Bronx, in New York?
California.
California, yay! In the house. All right, girl. Take care. See you. All right, guys. So I got lucked out again with somebody else. So it's not bad. Hello. Hola. Those are Dominicans. They don't like to talk to strangers. They don't like to talk to strangers too much, but no worries. So I'm gonna see if I find one of my card and give it to this beautiful young lady. See if I can get her to come try my food. Let's see. If I don't have one, I'm out of luck. I might. So yes, guys. Oh, good. I have one. Yeah, Cabarete is the boom shack attack, as we say in Jamaica, right? Cabarete is boom shack attack. So guys, this is my card. The last number on the card is my WhatsApp. All right? It's my card for my business in Sosua. The last number on the card is that's the one that works. So I'm gonna give this to Maleni, invite her and her boyfriend to come to the beach to Sosua. Okay, Linda. Mi amor, I find a card. Hello? Yo consigue una tarjeta.
Gracias.
El número de última es mío.
Perfecto.
Entonces tú me escribes. Hey, you come, I make you Jamaican food.
Gracias.
Take care. All right, enjoy. All right, guys, so with that, let me see if the guy got up in the air. Oh yeah, he's all the way over there, but I'm done with it. All right, guys, so peace out. Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. One love.